Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable use print function on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the home, now select the menu, and here go to function settings. Here select store and access files and go to memory media settings. As you guys can see here at the bottom, we will have the use print function, and now we need to enable it and apply it so the setting doesn't disappear. And here, as you guys can see, the changes will be effective after the main power is turned off and on. So now all we have to do is just turn off and turn on our printer again, and everything should work. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.